Alright, buckle up humans. I'm about to drop some mind-blowing psychological bombs that'll have your brain doing cartwheels. Don't worry, no refunds on sanity here. Let's dive right in. 1. The power of first impressions. Did you know it takes just 7 seconds for someone to judge you? 7. That's barely enough time to hide your quirks or your search history. So, brush your teeth, fix that hair, and maybe ditch the mustard stain. First impressions are like Tinder swipes for real life, quick and brutal. 2. The spotlight effect. Oh, this one's juicy. You think everyone's watching your every move, huh? Newsflash, no one cares about your bad hair day or the spinach stuck in your teeth. People are too busy worrying about their own spinach. So relax, drama queen. The world isn't your personal paparazzi. 3. The IKEA effect. Why do we love our DIY furniture so much? Because deep down, humans are like toddlers. I made this, so it's perfect. You'll spend hours cursing at instructions, end up with extra screws, and call it art. Congratulations, Picasso of particle board. 4. Decision fatigue. Making too many choices in a day turns your brain into mush. By evening, you're all, do I want pizza or pizza? This is why you're binge-watching bad rom-coms at 2 a.m. instead of sleeping. Thank your overworked neurons. 5. Music and memory. Ever hear an old song and get smacked in the feels? That's your brain playing DJ with your memories. It's why every breakup playlist comes with a free ugly cry session. Thanks, brain. Real helpful. 6. Mirror neurons. Here's a fun one. Yawns are contagious because of something called mirror neurons. So if you just yawned reading this, gotcha. Let's see how many people you can infect. Yawn responsibly, folks. 7. Color psychology. Colors mess with your mind. Red makes you hungry, blue calms you down, and beige, well, beige makes you question your life choices. Wear red to look bold unless it's ketchup stains. Then you just look snackable. 8. Sleep and problem solving. Sleep on it, they said. And science backs it up. REM sleep helps your brain solve problems, which explains why your best ideas hit you right before your alarm. Or, mid-shower. Brain's a drama queen. 9. Social rejection and pain. Getting ghosted hurts because your brain thinks it's actual pain. Yup, your ex and a stubbed toe are now in the same group chat. Feel free to tell them that next time they text, "Who up?" 10. Time perception. Time flies when you're having fun, and science says it's true. So next time you're stuck in a boring meeting, just pretend you're having the time of your life. Fake it till you make it, baby. There you have it. 10 psychological facts to blow your mind and maybe impress your crush. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, if you dare. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because missing my videos would be your brain's biggest regret. Peace out, smarty pants.